Hi everyone, and today I'm going to be giving you tips on getting the AstraZeneca vaccine and what to do if you get symptoms. So the purpose of this video is to encourage anyone watching to take the vaccine if you get the opportunity. Taking the vaccine will not only save your life, but it can save other people's lives as well. So just a disclaimer, I'm not a medical professional. I am just a member of the public offering my free advice from getting the AstraZeneca vaccine. So anything I mention in this video will of course be linked in the description, and I will try to keep it accurate. If you're watching this in the future, then the advice or the official advice from your local government may have changed. So before I get into the tips, I just want to talk about my experience of getting the vaccine. I was able to get it because I'm a police community volunteer for Devon and Cornwall Police. I also volunteer at the NHS vaccination centres. I volunteered at Plymouth Home Park, a vaccination centre, and I was able to get the vaccine there for free. So the first tip I'm going to give is it's going to be okay. If you're scared about getting the vaccine, that's absolutely fine, but just remember taking the vaccine will save lives. So in the UK, 26.8 million people have been vaccinated using the vaccine. That includes both the AstraZeneca vaccine and the Pfizer vaccine, and 2.1 million have been vaccinated using the second dose. So my second tip is if you get ill, tell your local GP. This is because telling them will help us better understand the symptoms of the vaccine. So my third tip is when you go to the vaccination centre, please wear a mask and continue wearing it even after you've left. Once you have left the site, then you can take off your mask. This is because the UK government is still unclear about how COVID-19 can be spread after you've had the vaccine. So my fourth tip is be prepared to get ill from this vaccine. Now, a lot of people in the UK have had the vaccine and have had no symptoms, but I am an example of someone who's had the vaccine and had symptoms. So I recommend telling your employer, and if you do get ill, just be prepared to let your employer know that you will need to take some sick days off. So my fifth and final tip is don't forget to book your second dose. So I hope this video has been helpful for you, and thanks very much for watching.